Kumsi benta ban pen Ïtynnad ya kanong ba Shillong bat ban penduna ya ka jingdeng kali Ïtynnad Urban Affairs ka Sarkar jila kalashna de ki jingsna barit bat Ïtynnad bha hakleng ki chaka bakhun ni ki junction da ki Atiar jot ki balabret samarten kawai na kini kadai ka chaka yang ki Pulit Pynïaid kali ha Pyrshah ka Ophis USP ka East Castle District ha ka balashna ya ka Ïeng basop do Phlang bat lapandai ya ki signal tower ban pha jingtip kumju ki CCTV camera ya kani ke jingsna lawan ban Plie do mintrang ba ka jala konrad ke sangma ha ka balai don lang do ba sngeu bahalang dhar semut mintrang ba badai pe Ïtynnad Urban Affairs u Dr Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary ka kongruzeta Mary Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner ka East Castle District ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS Director General of Police DGP bat QAD ki officer da ka ba ai khuble ya Ïtynnad Urban Affairs ka bala persang menwanra ya ka jingpen kelal leng ba ki marjot na Martin ban Ïtynnad ya kanong ba Shillong ulah pentepat bak Sarkar kala penkre ya ka 7-star resort ha Orchid Umyam bat ka 4-star hotel ha Orchid Pulo.
This is a very small space that has been made as mentioned by our Commissioner Secretary, but this is a step towards what we are trying to do to really lift up the overall feel and look and the space of Shillong city. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, that as we move ahead, you will see many of such locations being developed. And this is, as I said, just the beginning of what's happening. And you will see slowly and steadily that all the junctions will be beautified in this manner so that it creates space for people to be in. And it's very important for us to ensure that we are using this existing space that we have in a very logical and in a very practical traffic and all other aspects through a very strong integrated system, which will be then centralized at the integrated command and control center. So these are all things that are happening, and once again I thank all the officials and the designers who were involved in this. Again, last point, that we've used local material, as you can see. This is again something very encouraging, and we really want to continue doing this. We are all very happy that finally in Martin also the legacy waste is finally being now treated. So we are hopeful that also within the next 12 to 18 months we should be able to complete the entire cleaning up of Martin also, which has been a long pending issue. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, the compost that has come out from the initial phases of the cleaning up is being used here and in many other locations around the city. So once again, wishing you all the very best. Thank you and congratulations to all.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.